welcome. This is Mike Hamilton from Trade Easy Way, and we're looking at the FTSE first. We just had the UK rate decision, so we've got another rate rise. So we've got 0.75 of 1% interest rates now, and so there is the Fed sell-off into the Ukraine invasion, and here is the pullback into this resistance, into this drop zone. So if all we do is pull back, then we could keep coming back into this zone. If we just hit this support and hold, then we could push up. So I'm looking for a short-term pullback. A huge bar here yesterday, as US have increased their rates as well. So at the moment this is still bullish. We're just pulling back into the yesterday's big buy bar, and we are holding. But obviously a lot of resistance, a lot of overhang, so markets have got it all to do. My overall feeling about the stocks at the moment is we're just going sideways. We're going nowhere at the moment in terms of the main stocks, but obviously the indices are picked up. So what do they know that the stocks don't? If you look at the US, we have come off of a major support line, but we're struggling. We've hit our resistance level, so that's got it all to do today. We're going to need this to hold up, so we may pull back into this area here if we are going to bounce and continue this move up. This pullback's got to hold, and then we're going to start to have to launch into this 35,000. 35,000's up here. We've got triple witching, I think it's quadruple witching tomorrow, isn't it, with options, futures and contracts all changing over tomorrow. So that's one of the reasons why it's particularly bumpy here at the moment. So let's see how that goes and get that out of the way. But you know, big 2-day push up here. So if we get a continuation, we may head towards 35,000. At which point, that is a major fire line up there. That is the sort of area I would look to sell into. So a quick look at the dollar index. You can see that after these highs we are dwindling lower. All of the interest rate rises so far have been priced in. So yeah, if that is priced in, we could, even though we've had a rate rise, still drop back to this 97 level. Who knows? At the very least, we're going to get a 1, 2, 3 wave correction. Started buying oil yesterday as we have come into this zone. So this huge race up, got way ahead of itself, gapped up, came right back to the bounce. We've had a 1, 2 wave bounce now. So this is, and we've come back to a higher level than we started from. So as far as I can see, the buying has started again, and then we could see that wind back up to 108, and even more if that can get some momentum going. Okay, so a decent bounce here. Let's see how that behaves. The gold's had a bounce as well. Gold is at least potentially going to get a bounce to 1960, which is 2021 highs. Close above that, and then we're going to keep going. Same with the oil. Huge bounce up, pull back. We're higher than the original breakout area, so that looks as if that is higher. Right, let's just go straight into stocks. I don't want to look at a lot of stocks. Let's just get a feel. Let's look at banking. So interest rate rise environment, banks normally do well. So we've had 1, 2, 3 wave correction into the support zone. So if this drifts back into something like 160, 155, this is Barclays by the way, sorry, then I think that wave is complete, the pullback is triggered, and then wave 3 is normally, well, to complete a wave 3 that has to be bigger than wave 2. So direction, pullback, impulse, pullback, direction, and then we could subsequently end up right up there. So if you're in this as an investor, stay put. If you're looking to get in this, you may see a deeper pullback. However, we are sitting on 170 as a major level of support. Volume is drifting lower. Same goes with Lloyd's. Same pattern. Looks short term lower, longer term higher. Legal and General. It's had a good run, a very good run from 225 up to 275. That looks short term lower. And HSBC, that looks if that could come down to 450. And Standard Chartered is sitting up very well, but the volumes are decreasing up here at the moment. So basic materials, we've got Elementis has had a good run. So these are all very similar charts. They pulled up into resistance. Man Group still going from a low of 177 up there. So we're now very extended. The volume is not following through at the moment. TP ICAP not doing it, not happy at the moment. That is struggling, so be careful of that one. Gem Diamonds, we might well see 50-52 on this one. That's a huge spike up there. I think that will pull back before that's getting ready to go. Again, volume's not good. And IQE, it's winding up very slowly at the moment. Energy, Tullow. If we stay here, that's a buy signal in Tullow. If we can stay here and the volume picks up, so I'm definitely interested in Tullow. So you can see why I'm just very cautious. I mean, if you look at Royal Mail, that is coming up on volume. I would bid on 340, 345 on that one. It's certainly attempting to pick up, but so I like Royal Mail, like Tullow. Need some pullbacks in the banks. And what else have we got? Well, that's all for now. So be careful. Yeah, I'm still very cautious in the market, gently dipping back in on some of these pullbacks, but not in a rush to engage this market. All right, thanks very much. Bye for now.